The secret of well-groomed and strong nails is regular maintenance. Nail care, which is closely related to both women and men, is the most popular part of hairdressers and beauty centers. If you neglect nail care due to reasons such as not having time or budget, we have natural solutions for you. It is not a dream to have strong nails by using the materials at home. For those who are wondering how to care for nails at home, how to strengthen nails, we have compiled the answer in our video. Here, at-home nail care and natural remedies. What causes nail breakage? The most common cause of nail breakage is vitamin deficiency. When chemical products such as cologne and wet wipes are used excessively, they damage the nail skin and the nails become irritated. Using liquid soap instead of bar soap also causes nail breakage. In cold weather, cracks appear on the skin surface. This also applies to nails. Although nail polish makes the nail hard, it can cause nail breakage if used too often. How to do nail care at home? Before doing nail care, put warm water in a bowl and soak your nails in this water for 15 minutes. The second step for softening nails is cutting and filing. File the edges of your nails without pressing too hard. For nail care, proceed to the cutting process of dead skin after filing. Gently remove the dead skin from the nail bottoms. Apply nail care twice a week. Massage your nails with moisturizing cream. Wear gloves to protect your nails during the winter months. You should not keep the nail polishes for more than 3 days and wipe them. Wait 2 days after deleting. In this way, you can allow the nails to breathe. After applying nail polish on your nails, apply a coat of polish. In this way, you can give a harder and stronger appearance. Natural methods to strengthen nails. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most effective ways to soften, strengthen, and accelerate the growth of nails. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of warm water. Gently massage your nails by dipping them in this water. Lemon juice. Known to strengthen nails, lemon juice removes cracks and stains on nails. It is especially known for being good for yellowing nails. Squeeze half a lemon into the warm water. Soak your nails in water. Rub your nails with lemon peels. Olive oil. The best material for moisturizing and nourishing the nails is olive oil. Olive oil, which is rich in vitamin E, ensures healthy growth of nails. Apply warm olive oil on the nails with a clean cotton pad and massage for 10 minutes. Honey and egg yolk. Egg yolk, which contains a high amount of vitamin A, helps strengthen brittle nails. Mix a teaspoon of honey and egg yolk and apply it to the nails and surrounding skin. Rinse off after 15 minutes. Almond oil. Almond oil, which is rich in vitamins A, B, and D, is an ideal solution especially for nails broken due to vitamin deficiency. Massage a few drops of almond oil on and around your nails for 3 to 4 minutes. You can apply 2 to 3 times a week. Baking soda. Throw a tablespoon of baking soda into a glass of water and stir it to dissolve. After keeping your hands in this water for 15 minutes, rinse them with clean water. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is also one of the materials that are effective in strengthening nails. Rub a few drops of jojoba oil on your nails. Massage gently for 5 minutes and rinse with water. Don't forget to like the channel and subscribe.